Phil Ernest, and this is Porto. In this video, I continue my walk through Porto. I will show you the Riverwalk, the double-decker bridge, and finally finish up walking through the business district of Porto. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Got a little water feature over here. And there it is, the big famed double-decker bridge. I'm gonna hop on that very soon. But for right now, enjoy the sights and sounds of the Riverwalk.
Aunque ya has muerto todas mis ilusiones, en vez de maldecirte con justo.
So as you can see, this is a pretty cool place to come in Porto. Along the Riverwalk, you can get yourself something to eat, have a drink, and even take a river cruise. And check out this architecture. This is really neat. Old style Porto architecture at its best, and enjoy the entertainment on the Riverwalk. Check out those gondolas right there. I'm going to show you where they're heading to. See that gondola off over there? Will take people up, and then they can hop on the bridge and walk on it. And the shops down below, people selling a lot of souvenirs and goods from this along the river. So this is where it's all happening in Porto. Look at these classic old-time buildings with the church. Look really nice, right alongside the bridge. I know I've been calling this a double-decker bridge, and there's the first level right there. Only cars are allowed to go there. And this is the bridge right here, going on up. There's the river, and this is the these are the stairs that are going on up to the bridge to where I'm gonna walk on. So this is the path right here, and not a bad path to take. Looking at these buildings along the way make it a whole lot easier. So now this is the top of the bridge. So I made it through, and let's go take a look at the views from high atop of this bridge looking down on the river. This is a pedestrian only and tram only bridge. You'll see no cars on this bridge, but this is the top layer for this tram and passengers, pedestrians. There it is, they come shooting out of that tunnel right there. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. So this is the view from high atop the walking bridge. As you can see the river below, and this is really something. Nice view from up here. A little breeze blowing, but it all adds to it. That's the walkway down there that I just came up on right there, the steps. So not bad, only took less than 10 minutes to climb up those steps. And here comes the metro on the bridge right here from this angle. There's the walkway down below where I was at earlier, and all the people are eating along the way. There's the little craft places that they're selling souvenirs to. You can take boat rides along this way on this river. So really nice view from up here, and you get a nice view of the city below and other attractions and sites that you may want to visit as well. And this is an up-close look at one of the cruise ships that you can take along the river. Check out the breathtaking view from high atop the Lewis I Bridge looking down on the Golden River and the beautiful city of Porto. The biggest and most well-known church in all of Porto. So this is the train station I was at, and it's just a few meters right on up, and then you get to this big church and then go to the top of the bridge. So everything's really centrally located here. This is the Porto Cathedral, located in the historical center of the city of Porto. It is one of the city's oldest monuments and one of the most important local Romanesque monuments. The church was completed in 1737. And the steps all down below for view from the top of the church at all the red roofs. And there's that other big church tower that I was at earlier. This is a statue of Vimara Perez. He was a 9th century nobleman who served as the first count of Portugal. If you didn't see part 1 of my walk through Porto, go ahead and click on the link above if you would like to see it. This is Rue de Santa Catarina Street in the heart of the business district in Porto. They also have some streets restricted only for pedestrians. Notice the church with the blue and white tiles. That is Santo Ildefonso Church, an 18th century church. And, not to be outdone, Chapel of Souls, famous for its exterior tiles painted with scenes from the lives of saints. This is the residential side of Porto, and I did notice it kind of odd that at this time of the day the streets were emptied, hardly anybody walking around. And then it didn't take me long to find out where they were all at. The people were protesting because they wanted better working conditions and higher wages. While there were all age ranges that had showed up, I did find it interesting that the older people were marching separately from the younger people. So this concludes my trip to Portugal, but I do want to show you one last cool thing before I go. This is really cool. They tiled a rock, a big rock, and they put tile on it. Wow. The people of Porto and Portuguese love their tile, even tiling a rock. If you would like to see my other videos on Portugal, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.